What's up, YouTube? I was on the local river and the pike bite was on fire. I was catching them left and right on Ned Rigs, chatterbaits, crankbaits, you name it, and they would slam it. The downside to all this was it made catching bass more difficult. I did catch some nice smallmouth, and you can check that out in this video. I'll put a link up above. After I'd caught a slew of pike, mostly in the smaller snot rocket sizes, I started to get some bigger ones in the 27 to 30 inch range. And then the big mama hit by the remains of an old beaver dam. Keep watching to see all the pike action. The first pike of the day hit a small black and blue craw Ned rig. Like I said before, they were hitting anything that moved.
That's pretty big. Pike. Alright, come here, dude. There we go, folks. Nice little pike on the Ned rig. Imagine that. Oh, look at that.
Pike weren't the only thing hitting the Ned rigs that day.
Look at that, folks. Nice crappie. Oh, not gonna keep them.
Some of the pike caught had committal issues.
Seriously, dude? Look at that. Pike number 2. Oh, little hammer handle.
Had I been using a crankbait, I for sure would have been hooked by this guy, right in the leg.
This is the one we'll get you with a treble hook. Luckily, I'm not using treble hooks. Little hammer handle. Oh, there we go. Where is it? You bass, come on. Pike. Decent one. Well, that's a decent pike. If I don't lose them. Well, I lost them. Missed them. Or did I? Oh, I still got them.
Sometimes the fish will run right towards you, and it will seem like you lost them. but keep reeling to take up the slack. A bait caster with a fast retrieve can help in situations like this.
Decent one. Got him. You nailed that, huh? You little sucker. Alright, we're gonna get that out of you. Here we go. No harm to the pike. There we go. I don't know what number that is, but that's about a 26, maybe 25, 26. I don't know. Definitely a nice pike.
This pike was sitting right at the mouth of a small feeder creek, waiting in ambush.
Pike. Yep, nice one. Whoa. There we go. That's a nice pike. It's a pretty decent one. Let's see. I'm saying this one's about 27. Yeah, 27. Exactly. Nice pike. There you go. 27-inch pike.
As I was picking up the chatterbait that I had just caught the other pike on, another pike came after it and missed.
Seriously?
I saw what looked like the remains of an old beaver dam, and I tossed the chatterbait over by it, and BAM!
It's a big one. This one's bigger than that other one.
While I was unhooking this guy, I cut my finger on his gill plates. So all the blood, that's my blood, not the fish's blood.
Well, 33. "33 inches. It's as big as the bump board."
Well, that's it for the day. Turned out pretty good with a slew of pike caught and some pretty decent ones, including the Big Mama Creek pike. BassMan out. Welcome to BassMan Strikes Kayak Fishing. Sit back and watch another episode as I explore and fish lakes and rivers in Wisconsin and the Upper Peninsula of Michigan.